this video, I'm going to show you how to download and edit your banners. So the first thing we're going to do is download our file. So if you're already logged in, you can just choose the banner that you want and just click download, and it should download right away. Then I'm going to drag this into Adobe Reader. This is our editable file. Most importantly is looking at the suggested font. This font is what we have used in our template. You can choose to use any other font you want, but this is the suggested font that'll fit into this size. All of our fonts are free to download and use for personal uses, and you can get more information on that in our frequently asked questions page. So say I want to put happy birthday as my message. I'm going to click the first one, highlight it, and start changing each letter. This is for my first page. If I look at the second page of this design, these are called fillers, so I won't be needing to put letters on these. Once I have my first page done, if I'm happy with what this looks like, I can just go ahead, go to File, Print, and make sure you set it to actual size all the time. All of our templates are already set up to fit standard letter size. Make sure you have the right orientation and that your paper settings are set. And once you print that, and that'll be your first page. Now, with the PDF banners, we have the option to change the fonts, the colors, the size of the font, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm just going to highlight this and then double click and click on the hyperlink, because that's going to bring up this box here that's going to show the font properties. So I'm going to click on the font tab, and here we can see the font is to the point. Right now it's 265 points and it's this yellow color. So I can choose any other font that I might like. And this is another option if you didn't download the font, the suggested font, or if you wanted to just use another font that you liked better. Let's change the size. And say I wanted it to be a different color. And you change it like so. So that's another option. And the font that you want and the color that you want. Once all that is set and you're ready to print each page, again, you're just going to go File, Print, and make sure that your settings are correct again. Make sure you go to actual size and choose the right orientation. And if it's in color, make sure that it's not printing grayscale and that your paper settings are correct. And click print, and then you're ready to cut these out. It's recommended to use a heavier paper stock for our banners. You want to use maybe like a 65 point cardstock, something that's heavier and sturdier. Or if you wanted to print the banner part in plain paper, then you can also choose to mount it on a cardstock as well. There you have it. That's our customizable PDF banners.